Creating a lemonade stand. First, we have to make the lemonade. Squeeze the juice out of 2 lemons. Chop 8 to 12 large strawberries.
Mush all the strawberries. Mush, 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 mash, mush, mash, mush.
Once mushed, add a quarter of your lemon juice to the strawberries. Next, make a simple syrup.
Okay, that's enough water.
1 cup of water.
Perfect. And then the sugar goes in next.
All the sugar that we have in there?
Yeah, all the sugar in there. Pour it right in.
Medium-high heat.
Okay, now you can grab the spoon and start stirring it.
Stir until dissolved.
This is how you stir some sugar for lemonade.
Once dissolved, move to the fridge to cool. Transfer the rest of the lemon juice to a jug.
Pour it all into the container.
The strawberry lemon juice too.
Yeah, all of it. Yep. This one's going to be strawberry lemonade and one's going to be regular.
Okay, there.
Spills happen. Oh, okay. It's okay. Just go a little faster and it won't dribble. Okay, stop. Check. Are you at the halfway mark? Yes. Okay, so can you put the other half in this one?
Sorry that it spilled.
It's okay. Accidents happen. Putting it in. Added water to that one. Stirring.
Syrup.
We added the syrup water and regular water, right?
We added regular water?
Yeah, that's how it's a lot fuller. Did you just miss me doing that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Taste test.
Too sour? Does it need more water? Okay.
Is it sour? Is it too
I
sour?
think it's pretty good. I could use a little more water. We'll finish filling it up to the top with water and I think it'll be perfect.
Okay.
You are now ready to set up your lemonade stand. You need a table, a chair, and the lemonade. A container for change. And of course, cups. Set your prices.
Lemonade is
$1?
$1.
Mm-hmm.
Cookie
Awesome. But if you got a cookie and a lemonade, it would be
$2.
perfect.
But if you got all the 3, it would be $3.
Add a sign and a garbage bag. Good luck!
The Deacons are done for this time. See you next time. Bye.
Have you created a lemonade stand before? Tell us about it in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to our channel 3CD TV to see more in the future.